Good morning, everyone. For
Good
today,
morning, ma'am.
good morning. For today, we will start with the revision work of civics, lesson number 1. So, in your notebook, write down revision work, civics, lesson number 1. Revision work, civics, lesson number 1. Started in your notebooks. Hello, everybody is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then should we begin? First question.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first question. Only you have to write down the answers, okay? Only you have to write down the answers. And that too, the option A. And if Indian National Congress is there, you write down A, Indian National Congress only. Okay, now first is choose the correct answer. First question, in 1934, Dash demanded the Constituent Assembly for the first time. Write down the answer in your notebook and then raise your hands up. And nobody speak anything till I ask you. Yes. Yes, Charul?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The answer in 1934, Dash demanded the Constituent Assembly for the first time.
Indian National Congress.
Yes. Anybody else? Any other answer? Any other answer you have written? Okay. If everyone has, yes, Nabia?
A, Indian National Congress.
Okay. Okay, fine. If everybody has written this Indian National Congress as the correct option of answer number 1, then it is correct. So in 1934, Indian National Congress demanded for the Constituent Assembly for the first time. Clear? If any other option you have written, put a wrong over there and you can write down the correct option. Done first one. Now the second. The Indian Constitution was drafted by. The Indian Constitution was drafted by. Nobody is going to speak. Only you have to raise your hands up. Only you have to raise your hands up. Dushyant, keep your audio off. Only you have to raise your hands up. Yes. Only Charul. Anybody else? Okay, then Charul. Give the answer.
Constituent Assembly.
Constituent Assembly. The option B will be correct. Option B will be correct. Then next is, here in this option B is correct. Write down B, answer to B, Constituent Assembly full, like this, okay? Then third is, in Nepal, the struggle for democracy started in. In Nepal, the struggle for democracy started in. Yes, Kanishka.
1992.
Yes, Kanishka. Which option?
Ma'am, option A.
Yes. Anybody else? Navia?
Option C, 1992.
Navia, option C, 1992.
Yes, ma'am.
In Nepal, the struggle for democracy started. Anybody else? Any other option? Anybody else? Any other option is given? In Nepal. Yes.
Ma'am,
1991.
Ma'am, 1994.
The struggle for democracy started. The first answer which was given by whom? First answer was given by whom? Kanishka, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then A is the correct option. Kanishka, whichever means which Kanishka is giving the answer. 1992 is the correct answer. A in 1990. So those who have written any other option, put a wrong over there. Write down the correct option 1990. It is given there under the picture. The country of Nepal has witnessed several people struggle for democracy. There was a people struggle in 1990. Under the picture, it is there. Okay, in the lesson. Now next, the father of Indian Constitution is. Yes, Bhavya.
B.R. Ambedkar.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Everybody in the favor of this option? Yes, Riya?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then this is the correct option, B.R. Ambedkar. If you are written this, then this is the correct option. Okay, next. To ensure greater economic and social reforms, the Constitution introduced. To ensure greater economic and social reforms, the Constitution introduced. Yes, Charul or Nabia, anybody?
Ma'am,
B.
fundamental.
Fundamental rights.
To ensure greater economic and social reforms. Anybody else? Anybody else? Any other answer? Yes, Nabia?
Direct principles of state policy.
Kanishka, you have the answer?
No, ma'am.
Vansh, you have the answer? To ensure greater
Ma'am.
economic and social reforms?
Ma'am.
Yes, Dushyant, you want to speak out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Executive rights.
Anybody else? Okay, now I am giving the correct answer. The correct answer will be directive principle of state policy. This is given there in your book. In the last pages, second last page it is given. In addition to fundamental rights, the Constitution also has section of directive principle of state policy. Clear? This is given there. To ensure greater economic and social reforms in the Constitution. This is given there. So the answer, option A will be correct, directive principle of state policy. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is question number 6 now. This is a group of people who makes law and run the government.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Dushyant, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Executive, ma'am. Dushyant.
Yes, Dushyant.
Ma'am.
Executive.
Yes. Yes, Nabia.
D. Executive.
Yes. This will be the correct option. Executive is the group of people who makes law and run the government. Okay. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 7. Shri Jagjeevan Ram was the first Dash Minister of India.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. Bhavesh.
Labor.
Labor. Anybody else? Bhavesh? Jagjeevan Ram? Yes, Bhavesh, you want to give?
Ma'am, D. Home.
Now, this question, now that is why I had already in the beginning I had informed you that you have to read those informations which are given under the picture also. That informations also have few questions. Few questions can be made from those informations also. Now, this is also question from the picture given there. On page number 15 it is given, where the photo is showing various members of the Constituent Assembly signing the copy of Constitution. उसमें दिया गया last line, Shri Jagjeevan Ram was the first Labour Minister of India. Labour Minister. Clear? वहां पर बहुत सारे मिनिस्टर्स के नाम दिए गए हैं. डॉक्टर जॉन मथाई, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, डेप्यूटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर, देन राजकुमारी अमृत कौर, हेल्थ मिनिस्टर, ये सब दिया गया है वहां पर. बहुत सारे मिनिस्टर्स के नाम दिए गए हैं. Am I clear now? Shri Jagjeevan Ram was the first labor minister. Clear? Next, those who are written labor, it is correct. Otherwise, it's wrong. Then put wrong and write on labor over there. Next is the existence of more than. Eighth question. The existence of more than one level of the government in the country is called. Yes, Kanishka.
Ma'am, Dushyant, ma'am.
First,
Ma'am, option B.
Ma'am.
Yes, Dushyant.
Federalism.
Federalism. Anybody else?
Ma'am,
Nadia,
Dushyant.
Magda.
Ma'am.
Yes, Dushyant.
Democracy.
Federalism.
Magda.
Federalism.
Federalism.
Ma'am, federalism.
Federalism will be the correct answer, that the existence of more than one level of the government is present in the country. Clear? The state government, the union government, the central government. So more than one level of the government is there. Next, what is the universal adult franchise? You already know. When people choose the representative, they have the right to vote to choose the representative. Monarchy, when the rule of the king and the queen is there. Democracy, when people have right to vote. So here the existence of more than one level of the government is federalism. Now next, the human trafficking and the forced labor are prohibited under. Yes, Magda?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Right against exploitation.
Yes, anybody else? Charol, Magda? Yes.
Ma'am, option
Ma'am,
B, right
answer
against
B, right
exploitation.
Option B. Option B.
Okay, so everybody is in favor of option B? Then it is
Yes,
correct.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it is correct. Option B, right against exploitation. Now the Indian government is a dash form of government. Indian government is a dash form of government. Monarchy, military, parliamentary or dictatorship. Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Lakshit. Nabia.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, parliamentary.
Parliamentary. Lakshit.
Parliamentary.
Okay, Charol.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Parliamentary.
Parliamentary.
Ma'am.
Parliament.
Okay. Then everybody is in favor. You know what is monarchy? Bhavesh, you know what is monarchy? When the rule of the king or queen is there, है ना? Military dictatorship is there, then military rule. Then dictatorship means particular person has their own rules and regulation, not means is not answerable to the people about whatever rules they follow. But Parliament in India is having the parliamentary form of government in which people choose the representatives and the government is answerable to the people. Clear? So the answer C will be the correct option in 10th. Now 11th, right to move freely falls under. Right to move freely falls under right against exploitation, right to property, right to freedom or cultural and educational right.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I? Right to freedom.
Okay. Next, anybody else?
C.
Right to free.
C.
Ma'am, right to freedom.
Everybody follows this only, right to freedom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then 11th C is the correct option. To move freely falls under right to freedom. You can move in any part of the country freely. You can reside anywhere. कहीं भी रह सकते हो, कहीं भी घूम सकते हो. Now next is the system of courts in the country is collectively referred as. The system of courts in the country is collectively referred as. Yes.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am,
Yes.
judiciary.
Yes. Anybody else? Anybody else?
Ma'am, judiciary.
Everybody is in favor of judiciary or anybody else answer other answer?
No, ma'am. Judiciary.
Okay, then judiciary is the correct answer here. Then Dash was the first finance minister of India. Finance minister, just now from the picture, under the picture it is given. Just now I had given the answer also. जब मैं आपको उसका बता रही थी श्री जगजीवन राम के बारे में. Finance minister name also I had taken. Yes, Mauda. Rakshit, what happened? You want to give the answer? Okay, now Rakshit will give the answer. Yes, Rakshit. What will be the answer? You are very eager to answer, no? That is why you want to scribble on my screen or divert the attention of the
No,
teacher as
ma'am.
well as the
वो मैम
student.
गलती से हो गया था.
Okay, तो आंसर आता है. मैंने सोचा आपको आंसर आता है. If you know the answer, then you can give. You know the answer?
Ma'am,
No,
B.
ma'am.
Okay. Dash was the finance minister of India. B.
John.
John Mathai. John Mathai. B will be the correct answer. Okay. Now next. Dash were urged by B.R. Ambedkar to join government and civil services. Who were urged? किसको बोला गया था B.R. Ambedkar के द्वारा to join the government and civil services?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
Scheduled
Riya.
caste is scheduled caste. Ma'am, option C.
Which Hindus, Pashtuns, or scheduled caste or Muslims?
Scheduled caste. Ma'am, scheduled caste.
Scheduled caste.
caste.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. Scheduled caste will be the correct option. Scheduled caste will be the correct option. C. Next is the first health minister of independent India was. 15th question. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Rajkumari Amrit Kaur.
Yes, this option I had also given there. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Till your 15th question, everybody is clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next, question number 16. Dash was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Very easy question. First Prime Minister of independent India.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Jawaharlal
Yes.
Nehru.
Yes. Very easy question. Jawaharlal Nehru. The next is the Indian Constitution was finally completed in.
August
Ma'am, may I?
1950.
Ma'am, November 1949.
Ma'am,
Anybody
November
else?
1949.
Sure?
Ma'am, November 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. November 1949. Okay. Now question number 18. Dash was the president of Constituent Assembly. This is also very easy question. President of
Dr.
Constituent
Rajendra
Assembly.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Very good. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Hello. Now next question number 19. The elected representatives in India are part of. The elected representatives in India are part of. Yes, Charul.
Ma'am, legislature.
Okay, anybody else? Vansh Arora, Radhesham, Bhavya, Pavna, anybody? Answer of this, the elected representatives in India are part of.
Ma'am, cabinet.
Anybody else?
Ma'am, B option. Ma'am, option
Ma'am, B option.
Okay. Okay. B option is correct option. That is legislature. The elected representatives in India are part of legislature. They makes the rules and laws. Clear? Then everyone is equal before law. This right falls under. Everyone is
Right to
equal
equality.
before.
Ma'am,
Yes.
right to equality.
Ma'am, right
Okay.
to equality.
Okay. This is very easy question. That is right to equality. Everybody is equal before law. I hope till question number 20 everybody is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Any doubt in any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. So we'll continue with this 21st question now. Constitution of nation contains rules, laws, both A and B, or none of these?
Both A and B.
Yes. Anybody else?
Both A and B, ma'am.
Both A and B?
Both A and B.
Okay. Rules भी और regulations laws भी होते हैं इसमें. Good. So 21 both A and B. Then what refers to a goal or a principle in its most excellent or perfect form? Goal or a principle in most excellent or perfect form?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Ma'am, be ideal.
Yes. This question is taken from glossary part. Yes or no in civics? Definitions दिया गया है पीछे सारे वहां से लिया है.
Yes.
What refers to the goal or principle in the most excellent form? ID. The next is 23rd. By which time had the nationalist movement gained momentum?
Ma'am, can
Yes, Kanishka.
Ma'am, option number 8.
ma'am beginning of 20th century?
Yes. Anybody else? Okay, the option A will be the correct beginning of the 20th century. This I think I had given the homework also, no? Question was there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So when did the king of Nepal finally take over as the head of the government? Yes.
Ma'am, February 2005.
Option C.
Yes, option. Which option?
February 2005. Ma'am, option B. Option B.
B will be the correct option. 2005. The king of Nepal was needs to take over as a head of the government. Here it is 2005 year over. Then next is the state governments have authority to make rules on the subject of. State government? No,
National
Ma'am.
concern.
no.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, none of these.
None of these. None of these. Okay? Then who has the role to play in the formation of government under universal adult suffrage? Who has the role to play in the formation of government under universal adult suffrage? Yes, Radheshyam?
Ma'am, all adult
Ma'am,
Indians.
option A. All adult Indians.
All adult Indians? Which
Yes,
option?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Oh.
ma'am.
Okay. If you have written all adult Indians, then it is the correct option. That all adult Indians are given the right to form the government under universal adult suffrage. What is universal adult suffrage?
The right to vote.
Yes, universal adult suffrage is right to vote. And all adult means which year of age? Age year?
People above 18 or 18.
Yes, good. 18 and above 18. They have the right to vote. Good. So what kind of role citizens of India play in electing representatives? What type of role? Indirect, no role, direct or submissive?
Option C.
Ma'am, direct.
Yes, direct. Direct election के द्वारा वो elect करते हैं representatives को. With the direct vote only? Okay, now 28.
Yes,
What refers to the independent people in the democratic form of government? What refers to the independent people in the democratic? Yes,
Sovereign.
Option D.
Ma'am, sovereign. Option A.
sovereign.
Sovereign.
Sovereign or sovereign, we can say like that also. The sovereign refers to the independent people in the democratic form of government where no foreign power is there to make its own rules and regulation. Means the country is free, the country's government is free to form its own rules and regulations. It does not depend on the other country for that. Sovereign, they are independent people. Next, secularism means that the state promotes.
No
Ma'am, may I?
religion.
Yes,
Ma'am, no religion.
yes,
No
Charul.
religion.
Ma'am, B, no religion.
No religion. Anybody else?
No religion.
Okay, Nadia also no religion. Anybody else? Navda, Nishant, Pooja, Prince. Secularism means recently only we have completed this lesson secularism on second lesson, है ना?
One yes,
And
ma'am.
the paragraph was given in first lesson also. Yes, one religion.
One.
Clear? Secularism means that the state promotes. Secularism means that the state
The answer
promotes.
is no
Sorry,
religion.
not sorry. No religion. Sorry, no religion. Clear? No state religion is there. So 29th, no religion option will be there. B option. Next, discrimination is a part of our constitution. True or false?
False.
False.
Yes, discrimination. What does the word discrimination means?
Ma'am,
That
भेदभाव.
the
Bhedbhav.
government discriminates between two religions.
Yes, two religion, two people, कुछ भी, है ना? Two caste, discrimination means भेदभाव करना किसी भी basis पे. So that is not the part of our constitution. That is false. Clear? I hope all the questions are clear now. The lesson is also clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this completes
मैम ये
your.
WhatsApp पे
Hello.
send करोगे?
No, this will be this live video will be uploaded. The link will be uploaded to you on the student portal live video.
Yes, ma'am.
ये जब ये आपने जवाब दिया है, आंसर हमने दिया है, that all will be on the link. Okay, student portal.
Yes.
Anything else?
Ma'am, test next Friday को है.
Next Friday, that means which date I had given first? No, sorry, 2nd of July.
Yes, ma'am.
Of overall test, 2nd of July I had given, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I have taken all the three separate revisions. History revision test is taken. History revision lesson number 1 is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Then geography is also given.
Yes, ma'am.
And now today civics also I had given. Today
Yes, ma'am.
civics is also given. Now if any doubt is there, you can ask me. Otherwise, 2nd of July I am going to give you overall revision of history, civics and geography on Google Form link. मैंने तीनों का separate revision करवा दिया है. Now overall revision on Google Form link. Revision test will be there. Clear from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. and the link will be shared to you in the group also and on student portal also. Anything else
No, ma'am.
you want to ask? Enjoy the revision work? Everybody enjoy the revision work or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So Friday, we prepare for the test of overall, that is 2nd of July. So that's all for today. If any doubt you can ask me. Otherwise, we can make an end of the class for today's class. No doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today then. Thank you.